school Holy Child Convent in Bangalore. So this is my mother and this is my grandmother. So I wanted to speak a few words about Imageminds. It's really a good working place for doing drawings and all craft materials. It all started when I was in second grade. So when I was in second grade, I didn't know any of the craft or drawing things. So after I joined Imageminds, my IQ also improved and creativity also improved. So I did many drawings and crafts. I did so many things, and even Imageminds provided us creativity kit. So before when I was doing any drawing or craft, I used to purchase in shops which would cost very high. So Imageminds, when I joined Imageminds, it was like a good platform. So it provided all the creativity kit and what all materials we needed. So everything they did, and especially I wanted to thank Imageminds teachers.
So that kids' creativity are improved to a greater extent. So as she rightly pointed out, like from grade 2 she's been with the Imageminds. So now she's in grade 7. So the amount of creativity what I see from grade 2 till grade 7 has improved drastically. And it's not only with the creativity thing. So at home also she's also utilizing the materials which are available at home. Like for instance, she has made out slippers out of a newspaper, and also some of the toys, some of the teddy things which we can make out of the newspaper. So basically the idea behind this is like we shouldn't waste any materials which are available at home. This she started presenting to her friends as a birthday gift. Her own preparation, make everything. So I would like to thank both Imageminds and kids and the school for bringing such a lovely platform. And this platform is very much necessary for all kids available in all schools.